Have you ever thought about what real estate really is? I know we typically think investing or buying multiple properties or even just buying and selling houses. But what does the definition of that phrase really mean? Keep watching and I'm gonna break it down. Hey everybody, it's Fatima. Thanks for tuning into my channel. And today we're gonna be talking about real estate. Now, I know that term is really broad, right? But specifically, we're going to be discussing the meaning, the definition. What does real estate really mean? So, real estate is property consisting of land and all of the buildings on it, also the natural resources and anything that has been permanently attached to the property either by nature or by people. Oftentimes, people confuse the term real estate with land or property, but they're not all the same. So land is the surface of the earth, what's below the surface, what's above the surface, going up into space, and anything that's attached to it by nature, permanently by nature. So you think of bushes and trees and water, minerals that are below the earth like gold and diamonds and other gems and things of that nature. That's land. Real estate includes land, if that makes sense, right? So you have the land and everything that's on the land. Real estate is all the buildings, physical property that's on the land and includes the land. I hope that makes sense. Now, real estate also includes any man-made improvements made to property. So that's sidewalks, streets, sewers, utilities. All of those things are considered real estate too. And did you know that when you own land, that someone else can actually own the rights to the natural resources on your land? Yeah, but that's a whole nother video. So I said all that to say, real estate is much more than just a house or a building or apartment. It's the land and everything that goes along with it. The natural resources, what's above and below the earth, and can be so much more. I hope that made sense. And it's a common thing, a common concept that many people don't really think about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like and subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any questions or maybe you have more information that I didn't discuss about what real estate really is. I hope to see y'all soon. Until next time, bye.